Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet cutting tiebacks designs model. Let's start the video. Crochet cutting tiebacks are decorative accessories made using crochet techniques that are used to hold curtains open and neatly gathered to the side of a window. Instead of useful metal hooks, fabric bands, or rope, the tiebacks are handmade with yarn and crochet stitches, often featuring pretty patterns or embellishments. Key features are crochet cutting tiebacks materials made with yarn, thread, or sometimes combined with beads, buttons, or wooden rings. Designs can be simple band, lacy patterns, floral motifs, bows, tassels, or even nature-inspired shapes like leaves or butterflies. Function: keep curtains pulled back to lead light, and while adding a decorative handmade charm to the window area. Style: often used in cozy, vintage, farmhouse, boho, or cottage-style home decor. Here are some helpful tips for making and using crochet cutting tiebacks. Choose strong yarn. Use cotton or pleated yarn that holds shape well, since tiebacks need stability and structure. Pick the right length. Matching your curtains before crocheting. Tiebacks should be long enough to wrap around the curtain, with a little extra for fastening. At a closer, use buttons, loops, or ties at the end so the tieback can easily fasten and unfasten. Tie decorative motifs, crochet flowers, leaves, or butterflies, or tassels, and attach them to plain bands for extra charm. Match your decor. Choose yarn colors that complement your curtains and room style. Neutral for modern, pastel for shabby, bold for boho. Experiment with the stitches. Lacy stitches like shawls or fans give a delicate look, while charter stitches like single crochet provide sturdiness. Add beads or wooden rings. Chain beads into your yarn or use wooden curtain rings covered in crochet for an elegant touch. Keep it washable since tiebacks collect dust. Use yarn that can be easily washed. Layer motifs. Combine small motifs like flower plus leaves to make a more detailed design. Use 12 colors crocheted 2 shades to create contrast or make stripes that match your curtains. Incorporate tassels. Add tassels at the ends for a playful and elegant finish. Tie mimicry crochet mix. Blend crochet stitches with mimicry knots for a boho-inspired tieback. Go lacy for airy look. Lacy patterns look delicate and should light sheer curtains. Add buttons or beads. Sew on vintage-style buttons, brooches, or even crochet covered buttons for fastening. Make seasonal variations. For example, crochet sunflowers for summer, snowflakes for winter, roses for spring. Tie spiral or rope design. Instead of flat bands, crochet spiral cord or chunky ropes for a unique twist. Use metallic yarn accents. Blend a standard of gold or silver thread with your yarn for a subtle shimmer. Experiment with shapes. Instead of just straps, try star-shaped, heart-shaped, or bow-shaped tiebacks. Add crochet inseam. Mark a sculpt or peacock ends them around plain tiebacks to give them a finished look. Use elastic for flexibility. Crochet double thin elastic so the tieback squeezes and adjusts easily. Make reversible design. Crochet both sides in different colors or textures so you can flip them for a fresh look. Adjust charm. Add small wooden beads, crochet hearts or charms at the ends for personalization. Try beaded styles, crochet long strands and braid them together for a rustic rope-like effect. Cover contain rings, crochet around metal or wooden rings to create matching holders for your tiebacks. Mixed yarn textures. Combine smooth cotton with floppy or metallic yarn for a layered effect. Use late crochet flowers on big crochet rows or daisy, then serve as the main focal point of the tieback. Incorporate nature themes. Make leaf chain, fins, or butterfly motifs for a whimsical touch. Think practical. Make your tiebacks removable and washable so they stay fresh and dust-free. Magnet closer. Hide small magnets inside the ends so they snap together easily. Crochet over rope or cord. This makes the tieback sturdier and helps it keep its shape. Make adjustable sizes. Add extra buttonholes or tie loops so the same tieback works for thick or thin cuttings. Add frings. A fringe edged at the bottom of the tieback gives a playful boho vibe. Go minimalist. A simple crochet cord in neutral colors can look chic for modern interiors. Try ombre yarn. Use gradient or variegated yarn so the tieback has a natural color transition. Stiffen for structure. Use fabric stiffener on lacy designs so they hold shape and don't drop. Stiffen for structure. Use fabric stiffener on lacy designs so they hold shape and don't drop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!